Are you a grassroots football player or professional athlete wanting to have the competitive advantage over the rest? If so, join our online sports psychology program, How to Use Your Mind for Sporting Success, where other aspiring footballers and athletes are training their mind, gaining super confidence, building resilience and that winning mentality. Click the link top right for mobile, bottom left on the desktop to gain access to over 30 videos of content giving you hundreds of strategies and tools to improve your mindset and sporting performance. Hi, I'm Matt Beeston. I'm an NLP trainer and performance coach. I help grassroots and professional athletes get better results faster in their sport. I've worked with many footballers, including professional players that are now playing in the English Premier League. I find the biggest mistake players make is neglecting the mental side of the game. They don't take time to develop these mental skills like mental rehearsal and visualization. So if you want to gain access to the full potential of your mind and body and become a top player, click the link top right for mobile and bottom left on the desktop to gain access to this course content and take your performance to a whole new level.